Good morning, guys. So it's officially the day we're leaving for Florida. It's October 10th and we are very excited. I'm vlogging on a new camera. Hopefully it's alright. They're boarding pretty soon and I actually didn't vlog earlier, but that's okay. Here's Katie. Look how cute. Are you excited to leave for Florida?
So excited I woke up at 4 a.m.
Yeah. Oh god, and look, we're matching this time, guys.
Oh yes, okay.
Team
Did you get it?
Slytherin and Hufflepuff. Yeah, I got it. It's a pretty far wide shot, but I still got it.
And we're sitting together. We found out our seats are together, so we don't have to sit apart now.
Yeah, I don't think they ever knew that our seats were apart.
Oh, well, if you didn't know, we were sitting like at opposite ends of the airplane, and now we're not, which is great.
They fixed it for us.
Yeah, we didn't even have to do anything. It was awesome.
They must have been like, wow, we're assholes. Let's fix this.
Yeah. Well, I'm sure they put all the like single travelers
like closer together and
yeah.
arrange the plane
and
better.
arrange the people that book together. I'm sure like
yeah, it's probably
that's happened to me before actually. It's not
oh really?
time, so, yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's probably definitely what they did then.
Yeah. Because this is the second flight for this trip. When we originally wanted to book it, in the middle of September.
Yeah, I remember.
It was
almost full, and then they opened another plane.
Full, and then we waited too long, and that flight was full, so they added a whole other flight, and then that flight was almost full. That's why we didn't have seats together.
If Vanessa came with us, we literally would have been like screwed.
Oh yeah, we'd be scattered.
Absolutely scattered.
I wonder how it's gonna be on the ride home if they're gonna do the same thing if we're gonna get sat together.
Possibly.
I'm thinking it's gonna be a lot of the same people on the flight too.
Yeah, I feel like they'll probably switch it around.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we'll find out when we get there, right? Or on the way back.
Well, yeah, because we won't get our boarding passes until we go to the airport anyway. So.
Yeah. Well. Hey guys, so we're officially now in Florida. Our plane landed, and I was gonna vlog when we got to the hotel, but we've actually planned it out really well, or somehow it worked out really well. So the last bus to actually go to Universal Studios was at 11:15, and we got all of our tickets in our bus pass around 11 o'clock. So by the time I had a chance to like vlog, literally the bus showed up, and then I was like, well, I can't vlog on the bus. So now we're here. We're at Universal Studios, City Walk, and it's gonna be fun. Katie is excited. Ready for the day.
I am getting ready for a nap.
Yeah, I kind of
got off the plane.
Look how happy. Look what makes me even happier.
Yeah.
Starbucks. That's why she's happy.
Shout out Starbucks.
To the ultimate bay.
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh, I was gonna film you vlogging.
Oh, were you gonna?
Epic fail. Take 2.
God. What am I doing? Taking a bite of it.
Take a bite of it. Go for it. Why not? Take a bite of it.
Did you get it? Or did I get
Yeah, I got it. Now I want to know, what is the point of this?
it? It would be a very small one.
Oh, okay. It has like a top, but like. Katie! Oh, look at those new movies. The pets. Max.
I still haven't seen it.
Dude, the ID tags, never mind. I thought they were gonna be like those like ones where you crank the wheel and
Oh yeah.
do the penny thing. Do you remember those? The penny things.
I don't know if I have them anymore, but I used to do them all the time.
You could do them now because
Especially now with the,
penny's not worth anything, so it's not defacing government property or some random shit. Yes.
Did you get it? No, wait. Ah,
No,
it's falling.
stay.
Hold on one second. I got it. I think your problem is that the donkey keeps falling over. 1 second.
Donkey, behave yourself, buddy.
Hurry up, take the picture. Oh my god.
Oh, I wasn't taking a picture, I was taking a video,
Oh,
but
were you?
look at that. Beauties.
Yeah.
Let's do away from the center.
Okay.
Side then. That's what I was after.
Yeah, you're all right. $8 for that little thing that's smaller than your hand. Yeah.
This fucking better be worth it, guys. I don't recommend. I really don't. What do I do? Like,
I don't even know.
how do you take a chocolate shot?
Just put your tongue in there? I'm not really sure.
I don't even know what this is.
What does it
Ooh,
taste
good,
like?
though. It's like different layer of chocolate.
Okay. Oh, it's like white chocolate and regular chocolate. Oh, that's so cool.
Cookies and cream.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
It is definitely good. It's still not worth $8.
No, I wouldn't imagine so.
Buying chocolate from the chocolate factory here. It is really overpriced. Well, that's coming from a person who buys $200 worth of makeup at Sephora, guys.
As you're crying into your $8 worth of chocolate. This is so sad. Mind you, we did just get off a plane, so there's an excuse right there.
Here we go. Well, it's rich too, man.
Yeah, well, I hope so.
I've had enough.
Yeah.
I'll eat that another day.
Do you want your plastic?
No, this is just basic chocolate. I really don't want it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Look at this beautiful place. Look at this hedge. Alice! Alice! Let's go to Wonderland.
Oh, I got the hiccup still. We're walking back to the condo.
Run into the bushes.
Guys, look at this bamboo. I'm so impressed. I've only seen dead bamboo before. Whoops. Or baby tiny bamboo. So I'm... Oh, it's so beautiful. Feel it! Katie, come touch the bamboo. Feel how soft it is.
Oh.
She's like, I don't give 2 shits.
Also, because I've never felt bamboo dead or alive before, so how am I supposed to know what it's supposed to feel like? I don't know.
It's supposed to be a hard, stiff shaft.
Oh, I see.
Never mind. I want to see the crocodiles.
Are you sure?
Look at this pond. It's beautiful. All the crocodiles live there. mean, don't you want to make your crocodile friends?
I'd rather not get eaten by them, if that's what you mean.
They wouldn't eat me. They'd love us.
Okay, well, I'm not willing to take that chance. I have never met a crocodile, so.
Alright.
I have no way of knowing if they're real.
You could find the crystallite things.
No, I did not.
You could just buy giant things of tea here. You have Tazo and Lipton and giant things of coffee. And where are my crystal lights?
So, we still need plastic bowls.
Thank you for reminding me.
I got forks and knives. So we
Okay,
just need a set of
plastic bowls. That somewhere else, definitely not in this aisle.
Are we still looking for ramen noodles?
Yes. Did we get water yet? Do you want me to grab it?
Well, I was gonna get that last because they're heavy.
Oh, good idea.
Right?
Okay, yeah.
So water and Crystal Light.
Oh, crystal lights are behind you. There it is.
Do you have a preference?
Beautiful. Not really.
Or, oh no, that's for a huge quart though. No, never
Yeah,
mind.
no.
We want individuals. Do you have a flavor preference?
No.
They have crush singles. What? Is that a thing?
Apparently.
Would you judge me if I got
No,
hot flavored
absolutely
water flavor?
not.
You think?
Not at all,
Kinda
girl.
want to.
Go for it.
Okay, screw you people.
We're currently grocery shopping because we're picking up stuff for later tonight and for the rest of the week. So that's what we're up
I'm wiped. I definitely need to go to bed like an hour ago.
to. Same.
Yeah.
So tired. We've been running on like no energy all day.
Yeah.
Like zero
What time
energy.
did we wake up this morning?
4:30.
4 a.m.
Yeah, 4 a.m. You're close to 4:30 at your place.
Yeah.
Oh boy. She got 3 hours. What, 3 hours?
3.
3 hours. I got 2 hours of sleep. So we are dead tired. It's been an interesting day. It's been a long day. A very long day. We've been awake for many hours. And here's the hotel room. Very fancy. You like the beds?
We've been awake for 14 hours.
Wait, are you fucking serious? We've been awake for
13. No, yeah, 13 hours.
Wow. Holy shit.
We didn't even nap on the airplane.
Oh, I kind of did. I dozed off. I didn't really.
Did you?
I didn't
Okay.
really sleep.
I 100% did not.
There's our stove and fridge and our television. Hi, everybody. And there's our trolley that we're probably gonna keep until we leave. That's usually how things go. And our little bag of groceries. We just came back from the grocery store. So we got chew bars and like potatoes for microwaving. And we bought bowls this time so that nobody hopefully burns their hands like last year.
Oh my god.
And we got the infamous ramen noodles, a classic staple of the housewarming guests
Oh yeah. Of the college students.
of the college student vacation. And some cookies. And then we got our crystal light because, you know, if we're gonna splurge, it's gonna be on flavor water. And Katie's got her. This is a really cute shot, eh? Yeah, it's pretty cute. And then we got a fridge.
Is the view giving you your aesthetic for the day?
Yes. Yes. That's my aesthetic for the day. It's this view. All right. And then we have all our fresh fruit and some pop and all that for when we go to the parks. And we got our milk. I'll probably drink one of those bottles entirely by myself. That's why we have two. And then we have our cider. Da, 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 because we're getting married.
Yeah. Surprise! It already happened.
Oh, come on. Where'd it go?
Oh my god. I can't believe I did that. I have never done that before. And I always correct myself. And I hit the send button by accident. Look, you replied.
What did he say? What did he say? What?
yeah, sure, Katie, you do weed.
Oh my
Good
God.
one. He says, weed, what? Do you understand that last text message? I don't understand.
It says, we dim Alton Corey.
Is that a person?
Probably. I don't know who Alton Corey is, though.
I have no idea who that is.
Oh my God. Oh, that's going in the book.
What is it YouTubers usually say? Say something in the comments about like Katie's always high or something.
If you get this far, right, Katie's always high in the comment section.
I believe it right now. Oh my God. Was supposed to say autocorrect.
Oh my God.
So it makes sense now. Damn autocorrect. But
Damn Alton Corey. Great way to start the week, guys. 10 out of 10.
if this is only the first day, we're in for an interesting next couple of days.
Oh yeah.